it's your girl Evensyaxo coming to you with another video, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get this viral look because everybody freaking loved it on Twitter, on TikTok, on Instagram. Like, it just blew up. So I'm gonna show you guys how I got it because it was very simple. To be quite honest, it was very simple. So yeah, let's get started. First off, we gotta do our brows. Her bangs are gonna cover most of the brows, so it doesn't have to be neat. But you know, you kind of have to make it neat because in your head, you know that you didn't if you don't. I'm gonna use some concealer. I'm gonna use my contour kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills to go ahead and correct any mistake that I did on my brows. I'm gonna be using my Fenty Beauty Hydrating Primer. Now we're gonna go into foundation. I'm gonna be using my NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation. And I like to use my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer. Of course, I'm gonna conceal the bags under my eyes. Alright, for contour, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Cream Bronzer instead of a full-on contour stick or whatever. I just like put the brush in there and then put it on my face. Gonna blend everything out. Go in with another Born This Way, but this one is a mini size and it's in the color Butterscotch. I'm just going to focus that in the areas I really want to bring a lot more brightness, so I put it right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and set my face. I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier's translucent setting powder, one of my favorites, now probably like top tier right now. I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit. As you can see, it's well loved. I like to spray myself with setting spray at this point because I feel very powdery right now. We're going to be using the Fenty Beauty Cream Blush. This one is in the color Summertime Wine. This eyeshadow palette from Juvia's Place. I'm going to go into the pink in the middle, mix with this. Tap off the excess because we put a lot on the brush. You see the brush? We don't want the brush to look like that. I'm just going to tap it on my nose. Now I'm going to go ahead with highlighter, and this is my Fenty Beauty highlighter in the color Me Money and Hustler Baby. I'm going to use this Kat Von D Liquid Lip in Crucifix as my lip liner. Now I'm going to go over on top of that with this Too Faced Lip Injections in the color Strawberry Kiss. That might be too red for this, so I'm going to go on top of that with my Fenty Gloss Bomb in Fussy. Hinata's about to have some juicy lips, just letting y'all know. We're going to do a quick simple liner because we're just adding lashes. I'm going to add a dark brown liner to my waterline. I'm going to go ahead and add mascara using my Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara. I'm going to go ahead off camera and add my lashes and I'll be right back. Okay? Okay. Alright, so lashes are on. These are just Amazon lashes. I bought a whole pack of them and they're all the same style. I freaking love them. I am going to go ahead and add some more black eyeshadow right on this outer corner just to add some more of a angled look. I did add individual lashes when I did this the first time, so I'm going to do that again. If you guys wanted to, you could stop here, put on some white mesh contacts and call it a day and have this be your Hinata, but I want to do her Byakugan, so let's get into that. So if you don't want the Byakugan, you could just stop right here. Just stop right here if you don't want it. Okay? Yeah, stop. Y'all gonna skip to the end? Oh, okay. The rest of us are just gonna stay here and watch as I show you guys how to do it. I sprayed this with water. Oh, I sprayed my face a little bit, but it's okay. I sprayed this with water. I'm using a very thin brush, okay? And I'm going to start creating, like, I have a reference picture of her up, so I'm gonna start creating some lines. Now these think of them as like connecting rivers. So they're all kind of connected in a way. They're gonna connect at some point, and then they're gonna also separate again. So yeah, think of it like that. So I'm gonna start off with my first one. I'm going very light. And this one's gonna be connected to this one. And it has to go up to my eyes. And there's gonna be a little pop. And then we can do another one before we go all the way down. And then to add highlight to it, some definition, because we can't just leave it like this. I mean, we could, but it's like boring and whatnot. I'm gonna go back into this concealer palette. I'm gonna use these two colors mixed together, and I'm going to fill inside of it very, very gently. So I have to use a very thin brush. I'm gonna finish the other side off camera, and when I come back I'm gonna have everything on. So yeah, this is basically it. This is basically the end of the tutorial. You want to get mesh contacts. Don't get the whiteout ones because I feel like they don't really do it for me. Do the mesh ones, or if you can get ones with the black rims on them, that'd be nice too. But I love the mesh ones. The mesh ones are bomb. And make sure you get a wig with bangs on it. And yeah, I'm gonna come right back to you guys all done up. I got the top. This bra is basically a swimsuit from Romwe. I just typed in vinyl swimsuit or a PU swimsuit. It should pop up. And then these, as you can see, it has diamonds on it because the other ones that I use didn't have these little pebbles and stuff like that. It was regular fishnet, but I can't find the ones I made. And these were just regular fishnet tights, and I cut a hole in the crotch and fit my head through it, and that's how I made it into a top. Then I got my headband, of course, from Amazon. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed yourself, if you guys liked what you saw and you saw what you liked, please leave me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Also make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's gonna be down in this corner right here. Join me a little familiar, get a little familiar with me. And yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Mwah.